Alright guys, we're just coming into Long Beach, to Atlantic Beach. We just crossed over the Atlantic Beach Bridge. And here we're just taking a gradual tour of what's going on here. Since there is there was really nothing going on the news. Here's a Mercedes-Benz. That's just pretty much stuck in the middle of nowhere. We're going to take a little detour just so that you guys can see what's going on. We're heading to Long Beach right now, and we're in Atlantic Beach area. As you see, it's bad. It's bad, but it's gonna get better from here on out. Wow! Oh my God! Oh, you can sinkhole. There we see like a small sinkhole in the center of your screen there. You guys can't see too much. We're probably going to get the hell up out of these back roads. As you see here, some of the boardwalk is gone. Some of the boardwalk is gone. We still got a guy still running, doing his daily exercise, which probably isn't a bad thing. It doesn't look that bad here in Atlantic Beach 2 days later. As you guys can see, I know we're traveling pretty fast. This road's starting to clear up. We're cruising at about 40, so I don't know if you guys could actually see too much of what's going on. And here we have a nice little couple just walking around. Alrighty guys, I don't think we're going to cut the video, we're just going to keep it streaming. And let's get the hell up out of this sandy road. Go lady, go, go, go. Let's get off of this sandy road. What's going on here? That's a power. Looks like a power line is about to fall down.
The pole.
That pole's broken. You guys probably can't see too much because I'm just traveling at such a high speed. Alright, we'll come back later. Unless you guys want to keep me recording. Let me know. Wow. Good to fucking finally come. No, we're actually here. Yeah. Stupid bastard. Alright guys, we're just entering the west end of Long Beach. We're on Trenton Avenue, which is where Long Beach starts, and you already see some of the staple car construction guys already out on the beat. It looks like from this point on, it's going to get better. It's going to get better. We got DCI rolling here. We got DCI over here. And, I mean, definitely got hit really bad out here in Long Beach, for all you people wondering, but Looks like from today, which is Wednesday, Halloween, October 31st, it's only going to get better from this point out. So, I mean, we're on Florida Street right now, guys. I want you to keep this rolling kind of like that. See, steady. Wow. Steady, so we can see what's going on from the west end of town. Make sure you're doing the right way because this is kind of valuable information for me. Yes, it should be. Wow. So the water here came up like halfway to the door.
Water was about a good.
I guess worry about your side. Just you go a little bit. Yeah, worry about your side. Don't worry about you. Make sure you don't catch it outside. What's the minute on that record already?
6.
6 minutes? We're on Wisconsin Street now, guys. ¿Qué hace Colombia? I'm gonna record him. He's not gonna know what's going on. He's gonna be on my YouTube video. ¿Cómo está? Yo vivo en Brooklyn ya 6 años.
Brooklyn?
Y
Hola,
nada me pasó, es el sobrino.
Nada, usted nada, right?
Allá en Brooklyn. Nada pasó. Absolutamente nada.
Nada?
Nada me
Bro,
pasó.
right here, everything is destroy everything, bro.
¿Y dónde tú vives ahora?
Right here.
¿Y qué necesita? Agua.
Everything, everything. I have to new house.
¿Cuántos días tú no estabas bebiendo agua?
No, I got water.
¿Tú tienes suficiente?
Yeah, everything.
Coge ahí un galón, en atrás.
¿You got it?
Sí.
Beautiful, baby.
Atrás, atrás.
Open the goddamn dick phone. This is our old friend Colombia. Say what's up to YouTube.
Hey, motherfuckers, I'm dying for everything right here. Everything is on the floor, on the ground, baby.
This is-
Ocean destroyed my life.
Oh man.
Sorry for everybody too, no? It's not only me, it's everybody.
Okay, we're gonna come back here, see what's going on. You see everybody traveling into Long Beach here. And we got National Guard too, over there if you see them.
Take it, Baru.
Coge un galón.
Take a galón de water. Hello, yo, meme.
Ok, de nada. Pero mira esa. Coño, qué
Hey.
buena está. Y tú la conoces.
Yeah. Your mommy cried yesterday.
Nos vemos. Yo voy para Magnolia. All right, that was our fucking friend from like childhood. His name is Colombia, and he is. Damn, that girl is fucking. Well, sorry guys, shouldn't be talking about that on the channel. And we got Moby Dick behind us, and Moby Dick is in front of us now. And we got sanitation already getting to work here. Got sanitation coming to work. Got the wall here, guys. This wall came down. That wall came down. Alright, we're gonna cut this short because we're just coming up on finishing up the West End. We're gonna do a 2-part. West End, this is West End, and then we're gonna have the second part of the video called Center of Town. Just letting some traffic through. This is no lights going on here. There's no traffic. There's no traffic lights or anything. I think this guy wants to stay there, so we'll go. It looks like the West End got hit worse than us, right?